Panama ShipOwner 510. Indeed, Panama is the world's biggest registry. Today, it seems that Bahamas is taking away ships from Hong Kong. So, Panama, watch out. I think we need a boxer in Panama, which we had world #1. Gracias. But you need to keep the gold medal. It's not easy. Dear Panama ShipOwner, you can think about having another Panama employer like Pacific Crewing Management Incorporated. Is a Candina group company approved MLC. Labor union agreements, we have IMEC. 3. Wages we can manage on your behalf, or you can manage your own behalf. 4. Database, we have attorneys. We can really have these barriers of talent and data protection. 5. Many companies make public your name. That's a no-no. If you want the reputation, you must comply with data protection and confidentiality terms and conditions, which means that never you are allowed to provide the client's name. We never do that in Candina. Many others do, and that's a no-no. And there's many other different ways to improve the reputation, like insurance, like the wealth, like the health. And especially if you are direct with us, we have huge positive ways to retain better, like Warren Buffett says, always protect and put bigger walls and rivers around and throw crocodiles and snakes to keep the competitive advantage and the goodwill for your intrinsic value for your investment. So Candina is the right partner at 3% fleets of, let's say, 100 ships, 50 ships. Let's do it. Why also gross and net wages? Some countries like Philippines have discounts of $150 per seafarer. Others have labor union fees in some countries that you never know how much it is. We always cut those because we are crew management, placement and recruitment approved agencies, exclusive. For that, think about it, because we can really get your wetsuit so your company can surf this wave very fast for the reputation, like Bahamas is trying. Panama should really get their act together. They are throwing away 650 ships, but yeah, this is just nothing but headwinds. The tsunami is here. Let's enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.